Today in this video we will design thumbnail for YouTube videos on Canva. So, let's get started. Open Canva on your browser. Click on Create a Design. Select YouTube thumbnail. From here click on Elements. In search bar type wood background. Now I will select this background. Resize it according the artboard size. Again in search bar type black background. And select this one. Adjust it. Click on Upload. Then click on Upload Media. I will select image from my laptop. After upload, click on Edit Image. Now click on BG Remover. Click on Apply. Adjust the image. Click on Text. Now you can type here what you want. Select font style. Adjust the size. Again we will repeat process like above. Now select the text. And click on Font Color. Click here and type color code. For this I will click on Effects. And select Hollow Style. Think this color is perfect. Select this. Click on Effects. From here click on Background. Change the color. Turn roundness in 0. Change font color white to black. Now we will align all lines. I want to add some design. For this I will click on Elements. In search bar type circle. Select this circle. Change its color. Adjust the size of circle. Now the thumbnail for YouTube video is ready. Click on Share button. Now click on Download. Select File Format. Click here. Open the download file. Now you can see our professional YouTube thumbnail is ready. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Graphic Craze.